Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Edureka easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Edureka account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your existing courses. Select the course you wish to optimize. Review the course content structure for clarity. Ensure each module has a clear objective. Verify that your lessons are aligned with industry standards. Add supplementary resources, such as PDFs and links to articles. Incorporate multimedia elements like videos and quizzes to enhance engagement. Check the course duration and ensure it fits your target audience's needs. Consider breaking longer modules into shorter, manageable sections. Update any outdated content to maintain relevance. Use feedback from previous students to identify areas for improvement. Engage with students through discussion forums or live Q&A sessions. Encourage peer interaction to foster a collaborative learning environment. Monitor progress analytics to assess student engagement and understanding. Plan regular updates for course material based on emerging trends in your field. Implement gamification elements, such as badges or certificates for completion. Ensure your course is mobile-friendly to reach a broader audience. Last, review and publish your optimizations for students to access. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance the quality and engagement of your online courses on Edureka. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.